So George Okoro said something in one of his videos recently. He said something about bouncers. So this is my own opinion about bouncers. I don't know about your areas. In some areas that are being developed, that are advanced, people understand that once the bride is coming in, they are supposed to give space. Family members do not come and block people that are on the event or people that are snapping. Nobody blocks them. So bouncers now understand that they have to stay at the door or stay at the side where they are not blocking the bride and the groom. But in where I came from, uncle, I will not lie to you. Even with all those bouncers, people are still blocking the bride and the groom. They will block them to the point where you won't even see anything to snap. So I feel like the reason why you see all these bouncers moving with the bride is to see how they can block the people that they can block so that the bride can pass. This is my own opinion. No, don't take it in another way. Please.